Benefits of cloves. Some of the health benefits of cloves are detailed below. Contains important nutrients present in cloves. Cloves contain fiber, vitamins and minerals, so using whole or crushed cloves to flavor your food can provide some important nutrients. Contains 1 teaspoon, 2 grams, of ground cloves. Calories, 6. Carbohydrates, 1 gram. Fiber, 1 gram. Manganese, 55% of the daily intake. Vitamin K, 2% of daily intake. Manganese is an essential mineral for maintaining brain function and building strong bones. Rich in antioxidants. In addition to containing several important vitamins and minerals, cloves are rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants are compounds that reduce oxidative stress, which can contribute to the development of chronic disease. Cloves also contain a compound called eugenol, which acts as a natural antioxidant. In fact, a test tube study found that eugenol prevented oxidative damage caused by free radicals 5 times more effectively than another powerful antioxidant, vitamin E. Adding cloves to your diet along with other antioxidant-rich foods can help improve your overall health. Promotes digestion. Cloves improve digestion by stimulating enzyme secretions and increasing digestive motility. Cloves are best used to reduce flatulence, stomach upset, indigestion and nausea. Good for bones and joints. Cloves contain hydroalcoholic compounds such as eugenol and flavonoids that help increase bone density and bone mineral content. People with weak bones and osteoporosis benefit from eating cloves regularly. Boosts the immune system. Eugenol, a wonder ingredient in cloves, is very effective against many harmful bacteria, fungi and viruses. Cloves' antiviral and blood-purifying abilities reduce blood toxicity and increase resistance to disease by stimulating white blood cells. Reduces body pain and inflammation. Eugenol in cloves has strong anti-inflammatory properties and helps reduce pain by stimulating pain receptors in the body. Clove oil or extract provides relief from joint pain, inflammation and any pain in general. Relieves toothache. Clove oil is an effective treatment for toothache, gingivitis and mouth ulcers due to its antibacterial properties. According to the American Dental Association, clove oil is approved as a dental anesthetic. 8. Can reduce free radicals in the body. Eugenol is also a powerful antioxidant. Cloves are rich in antioxidants. These compounds help your body fight free radicals, which damage your cells and can cause disease. By scavenging free radicals from your system, the antioxidants found in cloves can help reduce your risk of heart disease, diabetes and certain cancers. 9. Ulcer. Cloves can help protect your stomach from ulcers. Most ulcers are caused by the thinning of the mucus layers in the body that protect the lining of your stomach. Early studies show that cloves can thicken this mucus, reducing your risk of developing ulcers and helping existing ulcers heal. Can cure headache. Headaches can be reduced by using cloves. Make a paste of a few buds of this spice and add a pinch of pink salt to it. Add it to a glass of milk. This combination relieves headaches quickly and effectively. May help regulate blood sugar. Cloves are great for people with high blood sugar levels. Research has shown that cloves improve insulin sensitivity and help insulin work more efficiently. An animal study found that clove extract helped to moderately raise blood sugar in diabetic rats. Another test tube and animal study looked at the effects of clove extract and nigiricin, a compound found in cloves. Cloves and nigiricin have been found to increase the release of sugar from the blood into cells, increase the release of insulin, and improve the function of insulin-producing cells. Insulin is the hormone responsible for transporting sugar from your blood into your cells. Proper functioning of insulin is essential to keep blood sugar levels stable. Combined with a balanced diet, cloves can help keep your blood sugar levels under control. 12. Can kill bacteria. Cloves have antimicrobial properties, meaning they can help prevent the growth of microorganisms such as bacteria. A test tube study showed that clove essential oil killed 3 common types of bacteria, including E. coli, which is a type of bacteria that can cause food poisoning. Moreover, the antibacterial properties of cloves can also help promote oral health. In a test tube study, compounds extracted from cloves were found to inhibit the growth of 2 types of bacteria that contribute to gum disease. Another study on 40 people tested the effects of an herbal mouthwash containing tea tree oil, cloves and basil. After using the herbal mouthwash for 21 days, they showed improved gum health, as well as less plaque and bacteria in the mouth. Combined with regular brushing and proper oral hygiene, the antibacterial effects of cloves can benefit your oral health. may help prevent cancer. Some research suggests that compounds found in cloves may help protect against cancer. Eugenol found in cloves also has anti-cancer properties. Eat more cloves to protect against cancer, as the eugenol in cloves has strong anti-carcinogenic properties and helps control lung cancer, breast cancer, and ovarian cancer at an early stage. A test tube study showed that clove extract helped inhibit tumor growth and promoted cell death in cancer cells. Another test tube study observed similar results, showing that concentrated amounts of clove oil induced cell death in 80% of esophageal cancer cells. A test tube study showed that eugenol promoted cell death in cervical cancer cells. Keep in mind, however, that these test tube studies used very small amounts of clove extract, clove oil, and eugenol. Eugenol is toxic in high doses, and high doses of clove oil can cause liver damage, especially in children. More research is needed to determine how low doses may affect humans.